Hello Flower Glamorous family. Today we will be making cowboy stew. And in this cowboy stew, the ingredients are 1 1/2 pounds of lean ground beef, 1 small onion chopped, 3 cans, 10 ounce each of mild Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies undrained, 1 can, 14 ounces of whole kernel corn, 2 cans, 15 ounces of ranch-style beans undrained, 1 can, 15 ounces of pinto beans undrained, 1 envelope of taco seasoning, 1 envelope of ranch dressing mix. You can get some shredded cheese to put on top, and sour cream and chips when the stew is completed. And these are the ingredients. And I am getting ready to fry the hamburger with the onions in it, mix it together, and I will be right back. Now we are frying the hamburger mix and the onions together. Can you smell the aroma? It smells so good. Now the hamburger and the onions are done, and I drained some of the grease off. So we put all the ingredients together in the pot. Here are the Rotel tomatoes. Whole kernel corn. Pinto beans. The ranch seasoning mix. The taco seasoning mix. Stir them up together, let it mix together. Let it come to a boil again and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And this is the cowboy stew. Now it is time to try some of this cowboy stew. You can put cheese, sour cream on it, and some Fritos or whatever kind of chips you might like to use. And it's basically like a chili. Oh, but it's so good. Look at the cheese. The cheese is just melted. So delicious. My family, this is cowboy stew. You need to try this recipe. The recipe will be down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Again, this cowboy stew is delicious. You all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.